Normalmente parlo in inglese, ma oggi per agevolarvi parlerò in italiano. No, mi presento. Giampaolo Guffanti, mia figlia Manuela, mio figlio Gianluca Guffanti. Magari tu poi mi traduci. Siamo i titolari e soci della Guffanti Group, una società di ingegneria e architettura di Milano che opera in Italia e parzialmente anche all'estero.
We are a family company founded in 1983, and we have based in Milan, and we operate especially in Europe, but also in other countries.
Normalmente l'architetto si dice, qualcuno più importante di me ha detto, dal cucchiaio alla città. Noi siamo, tra i design, gli urbanisti, civili, noi siamo uno studio di architettura prevalentemente che opera nell'ambito civile, del residenziale, del terziario, dell'industriale, sia pubblico che privato.
We work in different areas. We are an engineering company. We work in a residential building, hospital building, self-care building, public and private houses and buildings.
Lo studio è nato nel 1981, era uno studio artigianale, vecchia maniera. Con l'avvento dei due figli siamo diventati una società di ingegneria. Ci siamo certificati in ISO, sistema qualità. Abbiamo preso delle certificazioni per la parità di genere, per i pari trattamenti, le pari retribuzioni, la pari dignità.
We was born, in 1983 and 1981. We take during the time we develop in engineering company, and we have some certificate for quality, for parity gender, and we want to become a player in Europe and our world.
Siamo una società di 20 dipendenti interni e altri 20 esterni, quindi siamo in totale 40 operatori e siamo presenti e onorati di essere qui in questa rassegna in quel di Dubai, con l'obiettivo di presentarci ma anche di essere riferimento e interlocutore di eventuali operatori che avessero interesse ad operare in Italia, ad intervenire ed investire in Italia.
We are a 20 employer in Milan, architect engineering and internal, and plus 20 external, and we want to become a reference for other partners. We are Guffanti Group and partners. Partners will be other players that want to work together to build up new construction.
Io non vado avanti oltre perché vorrei lasciare, credo che meglio ci rappresenta sia quello che potete vedere, che è una sintesi della nostra società, e soprattutto dando la parola a Manuela Guffanti che ci illustra meglio e più nel dettaglio la nostra articolazione.
We'll see the video that show what we do.
Che sono il nostro intervento.
This is our project in Russia. Develop a city of about 5 million people. So we put the standard. There are concept of building, but we do exactly the standard to introduce that people inside the city. The standard for green area, public area, school, hospital. So how many square meter per person for public space, for building, for administration building, school, hospital, and so on. This is a theater. We are here near Piazza Nuova in Milan for a little bit interior transformation. We operated a completely integrated design, so we develop all inside, so architecture, so design, structure and system together. Fire engineering, safety plan, and safety of work. We operate some strategy of value management for develop high building and during the construction management to find the mistake that the developer, that the contract can do during the construction. So to improve the concept of project. Project in only 2 years of renovation building. City regeneration and building regeneration. Gender equality. Energy, of course. Landscape. This is the new plan for Regeneration EU. We play a master in space architecture because we think it's a new frontier. I told you about the changing in public space because we have to do something different. Oh, we are sponsor of the first Milan football team. It's a girl team and we love them and we invest in it. And we ask all our partners to invest in it when we work together to grow up the new team. What we show now is a project developed in near Milan. You know that Milan Cortina is the new Olympic game, Winter Olympic game, and this is based in one of the main cities when they develop, and this is a public space. The name is Va Pensiero because the thinking, Va Pensiero is go thinking, is Verdi opera, come from Verdi opera, and this is the name that we give to the theaters because inside the theaters people, child, person, think, but the think don't stay inside the building. People think and go out and grow up, as the music, of course. We develop the acoustic arena. That's why I say you partner. We work partnership all together. So the project is developed all together with all the professionals that requires. It is the first Theater Europe that have 3 stages, so 2 inside, you can watch in front, so for conference, for example, for cinema, but you can develop also the central arena for piano, for opera, and you have a stage outside that is given to the city, so the municipality can use it for the event, and it's included in the city. The last one is about another partnership that we have in Milan. It is a real estate company for start, yes. This is next to Milano Duomo. It's a street very next to it, and it is a real estate agency, and so we wanted to bring investors in Milan and make for them the reference for find, for example, area to develop and to make a feasibility study to develop a new area if it starts. If if technology can support us. No? Allora, the address is Via Speronari 7. That is the old company of our grandfather that work in gold. He produced jewels. And we transformate it from jewels to real estate because it's the new gold now. No, sorry, I'm joke. But it's the old base that near Duomo.
Operiamo a
Se non
Milano.
parte.
Operiamo a Milano, Venezia, Firenze,
Yes,
Torino.
We have two bases, Milan, Nizza. We have a partnership with a local studio in Albania. And now we are developing, for example, an hospital in Kosovo, an ex-NATO hospital that changed because now they develop a sort of private healthcare. And so we transform a big hospital, we regenerate, we fall down some of pavilion that it doesn't work as well, some others we renovate. We integrated in the city because they need a lot of other place for operation, for surgery. Se non va, passiamo al video successivo, la presentazione, grazie, la recuperiamo dopo. Il bello della diretta. We want to close the presentation of our firm with something special that I don't listen about it, and this is safety at work. In our company, Gianluca Guffanti is the specialist of management construction and safety of work. So we want to spend just 2 words because we are happy to see in a construct building, it needs a lot of work of men. It is a sector that is not very innovative in build it, but we think that for improve the safety at work, we have to think at 360 degrees also the safety for workers. Avete voi il... Grazie. Non è questa. Non è questa. Se no gli ridiamo quella che era. So we are interested to bring some technological system like watchdog, like a sensor, like a new helmet integrated with augmented reality to improve the safer. So for example, if you have a sensor on the machine that works from the construction site, you can control and manage them because the boss can understand, and the manager of construction site can understand where machines are and where people are, so manage the safety system. This is a new goal that we want to, I don't know if I have some, sorry, this is not the, but maybe, okay. Ecco. For example, control from a remote area, from drone, we can use them for understand if one area is safety or not for before bringing them person. We can manage the machine through remote control. So, for example, if you have to do some demolition, we have to think out the box. We are thinking that a man go there, guided the machine. No, the man can go and the machine can control by remote. And that dog is an intelligent dog that has some sensor, you know, like Google, that go and register the imaging, but it doesn't only register, they maps it. So it can give you the information on your BIM, integrated building design, and so you can understand what we are doing now, exactly now, also for safety, of course. Okay, if it doesn't start, we finish, and thank you for listening.